In this video, I will show you how to get to your performance task materials so that you can use them to complete your assignment. There are two ways that you can go about this. One is directly through your course. So this particular teacher has hers listed under Distance Learning 2020. Other teachers might have theirs listed under At Home Learning. If you cannot find the particular performance task, please contact your teacher to see how they have filed it within Schoology. Now, if we look here on this particular course, we'll see the performance assessment at the bottom. And when you open it up, I want you to notice this last icon. This icon is the assignments icon and the one that you are going to be using to submit your finished work. The others are resources in order to complete the assignment and the requirements of the assignment. Now, if I open the performance assessment up, you will see that there's a submissions on the right-hand side, submit assignment. For this, you just click on the assignment. You will see it says upload, and this first icon is your file icon. So you simply click on that, find where it is that you've saved your particular performance task. It could be in your downloads. It could also be directly on your Google Drive. So let's select this particular project and then you simply submit. You can upload several files if you need to for your task. The place that you will find your assignments is within the King William High School shared folder in the Google Drive. You'll notice that there are 3 folders: electives, history, English, science, math. And if we open up the history English folder, you will see 3 levels of folders. Level 1, we open that up. The same materials that you see here are the ones that the teacher posted on their Schoology page. So there are 2 ways to access these depending on your situation. You can download them directly onto your Chromebook if needed to work offline. And then when you're back on Wi-Fi, you can upload and submit the assignment, just like I just showed you on Schoology. Make sure that you submit your assignments to both your history and English teacher so that you get credit for both courses. I hope this was helpful. In the next video, I will be showing you how to use an app called Cami in order to edit on PDFs that you'll find within these performance tasks.